Mr. R. Srinivasan, Mr. C. Vijay Kumar. So I truly stand on the shoulders of PSG giants, and I think that's amazing. And what I believe PSG also taught them, which they didn't think they did, is to really empower and support us women. So thank you, PSG, for that. I think in this very campus, the love for engineering took root for my father. It was here that he learned the importance of discipline, innovation, and independent thinking. These values became the guiding principles of his journey from being a curious young student in Coimbatore to becoming the founder of HCM. Throughout his life, he has remained committed to the belief that education is the most powerful tool for change. And when he was here at PSG Tech, he was a recipient of the Merit Cum Means Scholarship. So when he thought of the Shiv Nana Foundation and the various institutions he's built, he often reflected on the opportunity that PSG gave him and the platform that PSG gave him. In many ways, I see this museum as a reflection of those same values that have shaped my father's life. It is a space built on the belief that every young person, given the right tools, the right platform, the right inspiration, can have the potential to do something truly extraordinary. What I find particularly inspiring about this museum is the way it has come together. A shining example of what can be achieved when academic institutions, industry leaders, and alumni work hand in hand. This collaboration shows us a powerful path forward and how we can bridge the gap between classroom learning and real-world experience. When institutions like PSG, College of Technology, invest in new immersive forms of education and experience, they're not just equipping students with knowledge, they're also preparing them to lead, to innovate, and to build the future. This spirit of innovation is what keeps cities like Coimbatore at the forefront of entrepreneurial growth. And it's my first time, and I'm truly humbled to be here. And I hope it's not my last, so I'll be here. With initiatives like this, you are not only preserving your legacy, but you're shaping the next chapter of it. As we step into this new space today, I see a future filled with promise. I hope to see children walking into this museum eyes wide with wonder, discovering how a robot moves, how a rocket works, and how virtual reality headset can transport you to another world. I hope to see future engineers, of course, scientists, change makers being born right here. To all students and young visitors who will come, this is your space. Use it to ask questions, to try new things, to experiment and to imagine beyond the boundaries. To the teachers, the staff, the leaders, thank you for creating this environment of learning. It's truly joyful and limitless. I hope to bring my kids back here to see this museum, to get them more interested in STEM. And to the entire PSG family, thank you for building something that will light up minds and open new doors for years to come. And I've just firsthand experienced the power and the impact PSG has had on three very important men in my life. So I hope that that kind of transformation and much more is what this space is going to provide. I wish the PSG GRD Museum of Science and Technology every success in its mission. Thank you once again for having me. I declare PSG GRD Museum of Science and Technology open to the public. Thank you.